We are in Kingston right now. We stopped over at the candy store. We saw they had beef jerky, so we got the habanero flavor. They had Carolina Reaper, but
show everybody the package here.
They had Carolina Reaper, but we didn't want to get that. It's kind of a casual thing. So
Carolina Reaper's probably a little too hot.
Yeah.
But we'll start slowly. We'll do the habanero first.
Yeah.
Okay,
so,
crack that open. Wait, there's a tab. There's a tab right there. Right? Oh yeah, you got it. Here we go.
So let's smell it first.
Oh yeah, smell it.
This thing's.
There we go. All right.
Ooh. Smells like almost like
Woo!
A little bit teriyaki.
A little teriyaki-ish. All right, you're going to do it first. I'll do it at the same time. Small piece. Both of us, small piece. You got to chew it for a few. Yeah. Give me.
Chew it for a few seconds and swallow. Oh, that's a big piece.
Okay, here I'll just do that piece. Here.
I'll have half a bite on this one.
Oh, you got to put the whole thing in your mouth.
No.
Come on. Okay, are you ready?
Mhm.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Well. Oh yeah, fuck, here it goes. Oh.
Oh, jeez.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
You're gonna kick my ass in a second.
Oh, fuck, this is pretty hot.
Yo. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh. Okay, well, not terrible. I can survive it.
Not horrifying.
Not horrifying. Do need to take a drink, though.
Whew.
Oh, okay.
Whew.
All right, well, there you have it. On a scale from 1 to 10, how hot do you think that was?
That's a 6.
A 6?
Yeah.
About a 5 for me. It wasn't terribly hot. Carolina Reaper next time.
Probably.
Right, bud?
Yeah.
All right. Shaka bra.
Escobar.